Hey you guys, it's me, and of course you see where I am. I'm in the kitchen. Well, I just got a question from one of you asking me, what do you eat for lunch? What are your meals like when you're detoxing? So let me just give you an idea again of some of the things that I eat for lunch, whether it's for lunch, for dinner, but my ideas for meals that are healthy. Okay, I try to make sure and keep a mental note that I'm trying to, you know, stay on my weight loss journey. So yeah, so last night I made some chicken cutlets, and I'm gonna warm that up and have some of that for lunch. Okay? So while that's warming up, let me show you what I'm gonna do. So now today I decided instead of just regular chicken cutlet, I want to mix it up a little bit. So I'm gonna make a salad. Okay, I'm gonna warm that up. Matter of fact, I'm also gonna warm up this. This is my sweet corn. All right, I'm also going to be using some tomatoes, my little cherry tomatoes. They're going bad, but I want to make sure and eat them before they all go bad. I'm also going to do a spring mix salad, and this has baby lettuce in it, also some baby greens and some radicchio. Is that radish? I guess so. As well as maybe some honey mustard and some Parmesan cheese. And I will also be adding in some cranberries. Okay, these dry sweet cranberries in a salad is delicious. I also like to put fruit like pineapple chunks in my salad, so yeah, it gives it a nice taste. Okay, so here's my chicken cutlet, and what I'm gonna do is just dice it up. All right, so I finished rinsing my salad, and this is wonderful. This is the spring mix, and I just love me some spinach. All right, so you can make a meal out of any type of leftovers and make it healthier. And look at all the green leafy vegetables. You can eat as much green leafy vegetables as you're able to. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I just finished rinsing my little tomatoes, and what I like to do is I like to just cut them in half. I don't like to eat them whole. So I'll cut them in half and then put them on top of my salad. Now, if I had some cheddar, some what do you call it, sharp cheese, I would have probably sprinkled a little bit of that on there. But if you have some feta cheese, oh, that's delicious. All right, so look at that already. That's really good. Now with the salad, you can get so creative with the salad. If I had some rice, I would have made this a rice bowl with some brown rice. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some of my corn that I just finished heating up. Put that on top of that too. Look how pretty and colorful this salad is looking. Really nice, okay? Now I'm going to throw in some of my cranberries. Yes! I love me some cranberries on a salad. In the summer, that's usually when I get very creative with my salads. Lastly, I'm going to put in my Parmesan. I'll put some on my chicken as well. And then I'm going to top it off with my honey Dijon mustard, my honey mustard. And this usually gives any salad a really nice flavor. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on top. And look at that, you guys. That's my lunch. You think I'm joking when I say that I have a salad for lunch? I am not joking. I be having a salad for lunch. And believe me, it's not for the video. Next, I'm gonna enjoy this with a nice glass of my pure coconut oil. Coconut water. Okay. All right, you guys, and there it is. That's my lunch for today. My delicious chicken breasts, my chicken cutlets that I made last night. I oven fried those, and my little side salad on the side with my spinach and my radish or rucci or whatever that's called, as well as some honey Dijon mustard on top with some Parmesan, some corn, tomatoes, and cranberries. And of course, you know, girl gotta have her coconut water to drink with it. All right? So this is what I'm having for lunch today, okay? Bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.